Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television. Today, the C&C Roofing and Siding story. Best of the Best travels all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today in Pennsylvania. Congratulations to the incredible team at C&C Family Roofing and Siding for winning national recognition from Best of the Best Television, and more importantly for delivering gold standard customer service for over 20 years. Best of the Best Television begins its research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website and everything we can find online about that company. We love the C&C Family Roofing and Siding story. At Best of the Best, we really value family companies, and this is certainly one of them. The owners, Gary and Rhonda, named the company after their children, Chelsea and Cole, C&C. Cole and Rhonda still work in the business. Chelsea's off on a fashion career. We love companies that become market leaders through old-fashioned hard work, integrity, uncommon customer service, and staying on the cutting edge of their industries. C&C certainly is that company. Gary Selleck has been in this business for over 40 years. He's assembled a very experienced team of pros who operate only one way, with integrity. There are a lot of questionable people out there who claim to be roofers. C&C works extra hard to be as professional as any roofing contractor in the country. The list of certifications is the longest we've ever seen. For example, C&C Family Roofing and Siding has been chosen as a GAF Master Elite Contractor. You don't get this honor unless you are the best of the best. GAF reserves this program for the top 3% of all roofing contractors in North America. It's based on scores of 5-star reviews from real C&C customers and perfect scores on roof inspections performed by a GAF certified inspector. Being a Master Elite Contractor allows C&C to offer the prestigious Golden Pledge Warranty, the only warranty in this industry backed by the Good Housekeeping Seal of Approval. You gotta love that. C&C has also achieved the GAF President's Club. That is the top honor for Master Elite Contractors who've excelled in workmanship, service, and responsiveness. Whether you need roofing, siding, windows, doors, gutters, residential or commercial, Best of the Best Television recommends C&C Family Roofing. This company has won the National Consumer Protection Award for 9 years in a row. Unbelievable. But this page means the most to us. The fact that Gary puts his photo and bio and those of his team members right there on his website says a lot. He values these guys. There's not a lot of turnover in this company, and when you treat your people like professionals, they tend to stay with you and do top quality work. That is what you get with C&C. Super Service Awards from Angie's List, A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, and scores of top reviews from satisfied customers. Some of the best we've ever seen. At C&C, it's always been about one thing: integrity. C&C Roofing and Siding, the best of the best? You bet. For Best of the Best Television, I'm Rich Noonan. We'll see you next time.